And we're gonna go for a little ride. It's a gorgeous day today. Whew. Oh, whoa. This had no water in it last time I came. Is this my first time? All right. Whew. This is like exciting. Oh, whoa.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeling this demon.
Yeah, this is it. This is the trail I was on.
Every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
This is so cool. Let's stop enjoying myself. Anyway, we've been having an absolute blast out here, and we are almost, I think, to where I was here on Peekaboo Ridge just the other day. I want to go see if that riverbed is just full of water, because it was completely dry when I was here last time, and I think it's full of water. This was the riverbed I was talking about, and it's definitely still dry as a bone.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Hey, this is totally where I was last time. Let's just send it, right? Yeah, I don't think so. This is just a wash. I don't know if I should stop. I probably shouldn't. Okay, not gonna stop. We'll just keep. We'll just go back over here. This looks like single track. I almost killed the bike there. Oh, oh. Shouldn't have got off the pegs, but I did. Yeah, single track. Love me some single track. Ooh, big rock. Oh yeah. That was in second gear. The bike didn't really like that though. You could feel it bog down right after that. Did you hear that? It did it. It wasn't happy about it. It was like, you want me to do what? Oh my gosh. Seriously? You noob rider? Oh man. This is amazing. I just have no words for stuff like this. It's so much fun. Okay, watch it. Oh, we're back on the main drag. Cool. What main drag is this? I don't know. Did it rain like a whole ton out here? Ugh. When you hit big rocks to your front tire, you gotta be careful with that. I killed it. Yeah, so that was starting to figure it out. If I am in second gear, and I'm really trying to gas it where it doesn't want to go up a hill, it's not going to want to go. It's going to bog down, and then if I let it sit, it's going to die on me. So I'm beginning to wonder if I did kill it those other times. Well, that's going to be annoying to get back up. Okay. Huh, interesting. I'm in first gear. It's bogging though. Is that just a carburetor thing? 'Cause I haven't felt that on other bikes. Like I thought I was in second because I was bogging so bad, but I was actually in first. Thought that was gonna have a little like something to tell me, but it didn't have anything to say. Oh, I did not look at this before I went up it. 1 out of 10, not recommended.